Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a beautiful asymmetric gathered dress. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now I'll be using an African fabric for it. You can use any fabric of your choice. You can make it English dress or native dress, whichever one you want. Of course, I have my lining here. So the dress has two sections. You have the half length and the main skirt. So I'll start with the half length, which will be having princess dart. Okay, let's go over to the cotton stitch. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now we've cut it out with the pattern. The next thing is to transfer it to my fabric. So I'll be cutting it with my fabric. So I'll use this to cut out the fabric. If you have not watched how to draft the pattern, this is shoulder, darts, shoulder princess darts. Okay, if you don't know how to draft this, I'll put the link at the description box. Make sure you watch it in order to grab how to draft this. Okay, so I'll be placing this pattern on my fabric to cut out all these pieces. We have 4 pieces of it. So while cutting it, make sure you add half an inch to this bust size. So you have to add half an inch only at this side. So I'm cutting out another side. So this is the center front. It will not be divided into two. Just place it on my fabric like so. Now let's take the measurement of the skirt. Now for the gather at the down part, I want to cut out for the width. I'm using this from this point. This is 9 3/4. I purposely add this place, so I will still cut it off. Okay, just take it is 10 inches for the width, but I will make it long. This is 3.5 yards. Okay, so I will make it up to the length. Now this for the sleeve, the length is 23 inches times 2. I'm cutting the two sleeves together, so times 2 of it will give us 46. That is the length. It's a puffed sleeve, okay? So I'm cutting both the two sleeves together. The width is 13 inches while the length is 46 inches. Now from this point I will come down by 4.5 inches. You can make it 4 inches here, just to give out the shape at the armhole side. Okay, so this 23 divided into 2, we have 11.5 inches. So from this I'll come down by 2 inches and I have to fold it. So I'll make a notch at the shoulder line here. So this for the sleeve is a full puffed sleeve. Now I've cut out the skirt. This is the skirt, this is the sleeve, and the ruffle at the down part. If you look at the picture, you will see what I mean by the ruffle. That is the gather at the asymmetric gather at the down part. So we are done with the cutting. What I'll do is cut out this lining. I'll cut out the lining for the skirt and the upper side. Okay, we are done with all the cutting. So what I'll do after cutting the line, I have to put these things together. After cutting out the line, you have to cut the line before joining. Okay, what I'll do is to I'll go ahead and join this starting from the down parts. Okay, don't make mistake to start at the front. Start the back and join the princess, both the left and the right. So I'll do the same thing to the back. I will join the princess dart together, both the front and the back pieces, then turn it with the lining. Then I'll show you the next thing. Even the skirt, I'll turn it with my lining. Then I'll show you how to put all of them together. Okay, so guys, I've turned it with the lining and I joined the upper part and the lower part together and fix the zipper. This is the back and this is the front. You can see the skirt and the half length. I've joined it together. Okay, this for the dress here. Then for the sleeve, you can see the sleeve. I've folded the down part of the sleeve, remaining to add my elastic to it. Okay, and the gather design, I've hemmed the down part of it and I went ahead to iron it. You can see it's very long. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to put everything together. I will start by putting the two dresses together, but at this point I will only join one side of the dress. Okay, I will only join one side because of the gathers on the design. So if I join one side together, I'll just use my chalk and mark how I want it to be. Okay, from the down part, just measure 8 inches. Then just mark it straight because it's asymmetric gathered. Okay, just mark it like so. From the waistline, you can come down by 3 inches. Just use your chalk and mark it to connect to the 8 or 7 inch. You can use 7 inches, you can use 8 inches depending on how you want it to come out. Okay, remember the the main gathered material here is 8 inches, so you can actually make it, in order to come up a bit, you can actually make it 9 inches, just 9 inches. You come down by 3 inches and slant it asymmetrically. Okay, then follow the line to make the gather. Then I will join the sleeve. After making the gather, I will show you how it looks. Then the sleeve, I'll add it to the dress and close up the other side. The dress is ready. So I'll go to my sewing machine and do all this thing I said. I'll join one side together, then I will mark 3 inches downward. Then from this side I can go up by either, let's make it 9 inches, since this is already 9 inches, so that it will be dropping down. Okay, so just make it, connect it to this point, then make it the same. You know, the gather should go round both the front and the back. So I will do it and then show you how it looks. So guys, I'm done making the dress. You can see how beautiful it looks. This is the back, the zipper side, you can see it. The front, this is the asymmetric gather. You can see this down part is longer than this side. You can see that this side is longer. I slanted it. From this side, I have to cut it because I don't want it to look somehow. So I went ahead to cut it out, then make a gather at the down part. Is the sleeve, the puff sleeve. You can see how beautiful and full it looks. Very, very beautiful. And the other side too. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more designs, and bye until I see my next video.